Hi, I am Joe Exotic, but people call me Tiger King.
Hey all you cool cats and kittens, Carol Baskin here. Just wanted to come on to say that I got some jobs going down at the Tiger Rescue place. All you gotta do is give in the application form and apply for the job. There's no money. We don't pay you, but you can work your way up. You can go from a brown t-shirt to a yellow t-shirt to a blue t-shirt to a red t-shirt. So I mean, it's just a fantastic opportunity for anyone who likes kitty cats like me. So yeah, apply today.
Well, you know what, ladies and gentlemen? I never thought it would come to this. I never thought the great Joe Exotic would be stuck here, incarcerated, in isolation with nothing but my friendly moose for company. This here is Maurice the Moose. And he and we were friends here in my reservation for a long, long time until the day that Derek the tiger got loose. Derek the tiger had already chewed the arm off of my assistant, and he had already chased away Renkie with his artificial legs. But one day, he got loose, and he got in here with Maurice. And now that's all we got left of Maurice. We just got Maurice's head. But all those idiots in the animal rights brigade and Carol Baskin, they think they're going to shut me down just because Maurice got killed. Well, I'm telling you now, Carol Baskin, if you're watching this, Carol, I am the Tiger King. And you can come for me. You can come for me any day you like. You can come for me and say I didn't look after poor Maurice. You can say that Maurice shouldn't be dead. You should say that Derek shouldn't have been allowed out. You should say that I maybe shouldn't have let completely untrained people run a zoo. You can say that if you like, Carol Baskin, but we know you killed your husband. We know what happened to both your husbands. We know you're just as bad as me, Carol Baskin. So I say to you, Carol Baskin, if you think you're so good, come for me. Come for the Tiger King.
Hi y'all, kittens and cats. This, whatever you may think, and this is not a real tiger. It's not a real tiger. This is just it looked like a tiger, but it's not a real tiger because we don't touch tigers. We just treat them real nice. Yeah, we don't do anything. We don't keep them in cages. We just let them roam free. And I did not kill my husband. I did not feed him to the tigers. I don't care what that Joe Exotic says. That man, he's nothing but a liar. I feel nothing but love for him, but he's a liar. He's a damn liar. He'll go to prison one day. You mark my words.
You call yourself a conservationist, Carol? I bet you never saved a pig. Look at my pig.
Hi, kitty cats and kittens. Got my favorite tiger biking outfit on today. I just want y'all to know I did not kill my husband, okay? I did not kill my husband. Thank you.